Big news, Galaxy fans. Something wild just happened that no one saw coming. Samsung quietly hit the switch, and now the One UI 7 update is rolling out way earlier than anyone expected, but with a few shocking twists you need to know. Trust me, this is not your typical software update story, and what's happening behind the scenes will leave you seriously surprised. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're loving the latest Galaxy scoop, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more updates like this, and let's dive right in. Alright, picture this. Samsung Thailand accidentally let it slip on their official page that One UI 7 is live, starting first with the Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 6, and Flip 6. But here's the kicker. This is just the beginning. The S24 Fan Edition S23 series, Z Fold 5, Flip 5, and the Tab S10 series. They're all queued up for a rollout in the next few weeks. And yes, it's officially happening earlier than what Samsung hinted before. But hold up. Things get even crazier if you're in the US. Galaxy S23 owners, your weekend just got upgraded because One UI 7 based on Android 15 has already started rolling out there too. Now, Samsung was supposed to launch globally in May, right? And Korea was expected to get it first. Well, plot twist. S23 users on smaller carriers like US Cellular and Xfinity Mobile are getting it right now. If you're with a major carrier or running an unlocked model, don't panic. Your turn is coming, but maybe not as fast as you hoped. And hey, if you're feeling lucky, jump into your settings. Head over to Software Update greater than download and install. Let me know in the comments if you spot it. Meanwhile, over in India, Galaxy S55 users are getting their third one, UI 7 Beta. Beta 3 crushed some major bugs. The lighting icon glitch, fixed. Focus issues in SIM settings, fixed. Random call drops while listening to MP3s with hearing aids, you guessed it, fixed. Plus, smoother performance all around. It's clear Samsung's gearing up for a polished Android 15 experience. But is it all smooth sailing? Not exactly. Here's where things get messy and frustrating, especially for Galaxy S24 users. The One UI 7 rollout was already delayed for months, building up massive hype, only for a critical bug to hit right after launch. Samsung had to yank the update back, patch it, and re-release it days later. Disaster avoided? Not quite. Reports are flooding in from Reddit, X, and forums everywhere. S24 users are seeing their downloads freeze or flat out fail with annoying error messages like couldn't install the update. Imagine waiting all this time for Android 15 magic only to get stuck staring at a frozen download bar. Brutal. So what's really going on? Samsung hasn't officially said it yet, but here's the likely culprit. Overwhelmed servers. Millions of devices plus global rollout equals total chaos. Plus, if your network isn't super stable, it could be making things even worse. If you're stuck, a few tricks might help. Pause the update, reboot your phone, and try again. If that fails, switch Wi-Fi networks or even jump onto mobile data for a fresh try. Still no luck? Grab Samsung's Smart Switch app on your PC or Mac. It bypasses the phone's over-the-air update and could save you from banging your head against the wall. And there's hope. Samsung's resuming the rollout country by country after fixing that critical bug. Users in South Korea, India, Europe, and even the USA are slowly getting it again. But if you already received the update prompt and got stuck, it's definitely frustrating. You're stuck troubleshooting when you should be exploring the new features and slick design changes One UI 7 brings. Honestly, Samsung needs to tighten things up. We expect a few bumps during major updates, sure, but premium Galaxy S24 users deserve better than frozen downloads and error screens. Hopefully, Samsung learns fast and future updates go smoother. In the meantime, if you manage to finally install One UI 7, the upgrade is worth it. Smooth animations, smarter features, better battery performance, and a cleaner, faster UI experience across the board. It's a big step forward once you survive the update chaos. And for those rocking the Galaxy S24 FE, quick heads up. Right now, One UI 7 is only rolling out in South Korea for your device. But don't worry. Roadmaps from Europe, the Middle East, India, and the US show that May and June are the hot zones for global expansion. Your wait won't be much longer, and based on early feedback, it's going to be a sweet upgrade once it lands. That's all for today. If you found this update helpful or exciting, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment if you're facing any weird issues, and subscribe for more real-time Galaxy news you can actually use. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.